guys? Welcome to the first ever video on my YouTube channel. I know it took me like 20 years, but I finally made one. My name is Brent I, and what I'm about to do to this car, this version is going to pale in comparison to what's about to be done. Until the next one, I gotta say, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you very, very soon. Deuces! Oh, hi Mom. Come on in. What are you up to?
I just wanted to drop this off. I think you forgot them in the mall.
Oh, this is about old video games?
Yeah, I know you've been looking for them.
Oh my god.
And I also found the action figure from that fighting game that you love.
Oh, is it Scorpion?
I guess.
From Mortal Kombat? The yellow guy?
Yeah, that one.
Oh my god, I've been looking for that guy forever.
I have an appointment to show a house in an hour, so I really gotta go.
That's okay. You know Chris, he's actually on his way over pretty soon too. You know that VR setup that he has?
Yeah.
He keeps talking about it, but he's actually bringing it over with my favorite racing game, so we're gonna try it over here today.
That sounds so cool.
Yeah.
Have fun.
We
know
will.
you will.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. Oh my god. So many memories. Dude, I had the craziest dream last night. So it was at night in the city and someone was mobbing my car, the 458. But the thing is, like, it wasn't really my car. It was totally different. It had like the race car wing, race car wheels. But the thing I remember most was that the livery that it had, the paint scheme, it was like this flash of colors just going down the street. I really wish I could remember what it actually looked like because it looked amazing.
Well, they have a 458 GT2 race car in this game.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot about that. Awesome to drive a car like this on the street.
That would be freaking insane.
Yeah, man, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Later today. Yeah. All right, I'll give you a call back later then. I'm just gonna try out some of these video games that my mom left me yesterday, the old school ones. Hopefully some of them work still. All right, later.
Hello?
Hey Mom, do you remember when you came over yesterday and you dropped off that box of games for me? Yeah, I can't find it anywhere. Do you remember where I left it or where I said I would leave it?
What about in your office? Did you
Yeah,
check
that's
there?
the first place I checked. It's not there. I checked everywhere.
Check in the garage. You
Garage?
probably
No.
put them
I'm
there.
pretty sure I didn't put it in there because I was planning on playing today, so. But I'll check anyway. Yeah, it's not.
Try upstairs, maybe?
Hold on. My car. My car's not here.
Which car, Brent?
The 458. My car's not here.
What do you mean?
It's not in the garage anymore.
Brent, are you there? What's going on? Hello?
Mom, I'm gonna have to call you back.